Avoiding farewell faux pas. How to navigate goodbyes across cultures. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an important topic that often goes unnoticed but is vital in the world of communication, especially in diverse cultural contexts: farewells and goodbyes. Saying goodbye isn't always as simple as bye, see you later, or take care. In fact, farewells can be as diverse and intricate as the cultures they originate from. So let's get started. Understanding cultural differences in farewells is a crucial part of effective communication. We often pay attention to how we initiate conversations, but the way we end them is just as important. It signals respect, empathy, and cultural awareness. By being aware of these cultural nuances, we can avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications that might lead to awkward situations or even harm our relationships. There are numerous potential pitfalls when it comes to farewells across different cultures. For example, in some cultures, a simple wave could be considered impolite, while in others, not saying goodbye at all could be seen as rude. So always remember, context is key, and the context is greatly shaped by the specific culture you are dealing with. Let's dive into some practical tips to avoid farewell faux pas. 1. Research. Before interacting in a new cultural context, take time to understand their traditional ways of saying goodbye. The internet is a great source of information, but remember, nothing beats personal experiences and interactions. 2. Observe and mimic. Watch how people within the culture say goodbye to each other. Mimicry is a form of flattery, and it shows you are making an effort to understand and respect their culture. 3. Ask when in doubt. If you are unsure, ask. Most people appreciate your effort to understand their customs and will be more than willing to explain. 4. Be flexible. Adaptability is key in intercultural communication. What works in one culture may not work in another. Always be ready to adjust your farewell based on the situation and culture. Saying goodbye may seem like a simple, universal gesture. But, as we've seen today, it is a complex, culture-rich interaction. By taking the time to understand and respect these cultural differences in farewells, we can avoid misunderstandings and enhance our ability to communicate effectively across cultures. So, until next time, no matter where you are in the world, may your farewells be respectful and your goodbyes gracious. Happy learning!